Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another one of my products from my recent Walmart makeup haul, which that video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And this is from the brand Hard Candy, which I haven't tried out too many products from this brand, but I love how affordable it is and I love trying out affordable makeup, so I'm very excited to try out more products from this brand. Especially this Plumping Serum Volumizing lip gloss. And it looks so beautiful in this sparkly pink shade called Cakewalk. This is 100% cruelty-free and it cost about $7 at Walmart. It comes in so many different shades and I just love trying out plumping lip glosses because I have very small lips, which I like to try and plump up and make any bigger. That's what I want. And also I have very dry, chapped lips, and this has hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be very hydrating, which all of that sounds perfect to me. So first, let's see what this applicator looks like. Ooh, this is nice. It's like a paddle rounded applicator. Pretty standard, looks nice. Oh my gosh, the smell of this is so good. At first I got like a vanilla smell and then I got a little bit of a mintiness. Oh, I love that. It's a very like nostalgic lip gloss, vanilla, sweet scent, which I just love that. I love a good smelling lip gloss. The next step is to see how it swatches. Oh, this is pretty much completely clear. It does have some glitter in it. Hopefully it won't be too like cheesy glittery or gritty or anything like that, but seems shiny. Here I can give you a better view of that shiny swatch. Okay, let's put it on my lips now. It definitely does look glittery, which I should have expected because it looks very glittery in the packaging. And it's not like I would have expected it to be this pink color necessarily, but I know that I don't love like super glittery, clear glosses. Maybe as a lip topper. Oh, but it does have very pretty shine, doesn't it? And it does seem very hydrating. I like the thick texture of it. Trying to see if I get any grittiness from the glitter. No, I don't think so. This claims to make your lips bigger, and it has a bit of a cooling feeling, but not like a stinging, burning. It's also supposed to smooth out the lines in the lips, which it seems to be doing a little bit, but not completely, not as much of a plumping effect as I would have hoped. We'll give it a little bit more time, see if anything happens. But what I am noticing is that good hydration, like the dry, chapped areas, texture on my lips that I had before I applied this, is actually gone and smoothed out. So I love that. It's super glossy. I love the juicy look that it gives the lips. But overall, I wouldn't say that I'm getting much plumping. Plumping in the term of like swelling, lips getting bigger, anything like that. It's a very comfortable lip gloss, like only the slightest cooling feeling, but it's definitely moisturizing, which my lips really needed. And because it's so shiny as well as super hydrating, it does help to enhance the lips, gives a slightly more full, more plump look, but it's not gonna like make your lips really any poutier, any bigger, which I would love for that to have happened. But even still, it's a really pretty lip gloss. So this seems like kind of like a classic Hard Candy product. So If you've tried it, I would love to hear what you think of it. And since there are so many beautiful shades that this comes in, I would love to hear how some of those other shades are, if you've tried those ones out. And let me know if it made any difference in how plump or big your lips were. So I'm a little let down that that didn't happen because the claims made it sound like it would, like volumizing lip gloss. The description online said that it's supposed to make my lips bigger, and that just isn't happening. But let me know if that happened for you. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.